Lori.
Hi.
So here we are at Nippers, where a grilled chicken parmesan is $35. We had one drink, $10 each. Now, I'm gonna tell you, it's probably the best view ever of a beach, of the ocean, of reefs, ever. You know, it is. They said it's the best in the Bahamas, and I believe it. But it's a bit expensive, but that's all right. You know, we have one drink, we share it. We're definitely not having supper here. It costs us probably about $250. So we're enjoying the view. It's beautiful here. Nippers, very nice, very expensive, but you have to come. Cheers.
Cheers. I'm just going to take a look around.
Oh, bye. Drinks are very good, by the way. But
They are
still
very
$10.
good. It is very good, but yeah, it's expensive. Oh, can I get all the way around? Let's get all the way around. There we go.
There's a shower, actually. I see.
Yeah, the shower there.
Rinsed off.
And that's our seats, right, on the ocean.
2-foot parrotfish today.
Oh yeah, huge parrotfish. It's crazy.
We'll see that in another video.
Yeah, bye.